Hi guys, in front of me is Honor 70 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. You've got two methods to do it. The first one is to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06. Okay, here we've got the number *#06. So that's 5 digits long code, and here you've got the necessary info, so both IMEI numbers along with a serial number. Tap on OK to close it. And then another way to reach those numbers is to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here you've got both IMEI numbers, and then if you will go to status, you'll be able to read your serial number as well. So that's it, that'll be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.